my name is Helen and I'm a Mexican traveler. Thank you very much for clicking. This video is specifically for you. Yes, you. I really thought it's the moment to finally share these killer motivational quotes that get me feeling just like I want to start my life all over again. Before we get into it, yes, I have makeup of a bee. We're just rolling with it. It was for a picture on my Instagram that I did. If you wanna follow me, just check Helen Velasquez for. Anyways, jumping right in with the first quote we have. And it's just accurate because like we're a bee today, so might as well. The flower doesn't dream of the bee. It blossoms and the bee comes. How lovely is this quote? We should break it down. And I think, you know, the flower doesn't dream of the bee means that when you're not even ready to achieve something that is really high or requires skills that you don't yet have, it's necessary to wait. So I think it's very much attached to patience. It means that you should always work and put hard work towards your goal, but be patient, because once you do blossom with those skills that you need, you'll find that what you want will come to you instead of you chasing that. Jumping in, quote number 2 is a killer one. Anyways, I always wanted to share this quote, and it says, "Go where you're celebrated, not where you're tolerated." Amen. Like, what? Guys, this changes your whole perspective of trying to put up with people that just doesn't click with who you are. You just feel like you don't belong, and it's hard to keep trying to just fit in. I mean, I have. So this quote really just is telling you, wake up, embrace who you are, and go with the people that you do feel loved. That people's like, oh my god, Helen's here, yay! You know, you don't want to get together with people that's like, hi, how are you? Yeah, good to see you too. Things been good. Uncomfortable. It's just not nice. So please respect who you are, and please make it valuable, because no one else is gonna do it. Those people that are tolerating you, Quote number 3. I love this one, and it goes for all the workout junkies out there. It says, "You will never always be motivated, so just learn to be disciplined." So you're not always gonna feel your best to start doing yoga every day. Therefore, if you practice discipline, and discipline refers to a practice to make yourself or someone else follow a set of rules, kind of like a routine with a good outcome, if I'm not mistaken. There's gonna be that one day that you're gonna feel like crap, and you're not gonna be motivated to do it. And I think if you push yourself to the limit, that proves you have something that is very hard to reach. A lot of people is lacking this just because it's easier not to do it. I hope one of these 3 quotes helped you today. Definitely have helped me a lot. That's why I want to share them, because a lot of people now just feels a bit anxious or uncertain about this quarantine that we're experiencing. So I thought, what better than just bring a little mood, and if I give you these 3 quotes and you can at least grasp one. I don't know the other authors. I'll try to research them. If I do, I'll put them somewhere or down below. But yeah, I just want to share them. Spread the love, spread the happiness. Be like a bee. Before I go, this is gonna be a mini series here in my channel for Helen for Travels. Please subscribe and please like, cause I'm gonna start finally putting up content more often. So you better be prepared. I hope you're better than before when you click this video. Adios!